Why you on that?
See him there, team.
Can you leave me here? Can you leave me alone? I don't understand. Just come in.
Wow.
I swear. That's what I'm saying. You were like, you got your own thing. Yeah.
When I show like measuring.
I'm saying that. Like a real
I said, Soca Mazza, we're on the plane. This year we're going inside.
Everyone's a Soca Mazza today.
Well, not everyone.
We don't want to be in your broadcast. Can you move your camera?
I need not concentrate to this content.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome on tours. We are at the meet and greet, Soca Mazza 2025. So let's go and have a look, let's see Wagwan.
Welcome to Soca Weekender 2025. We are going to party and have a good time today. So it's Soca Mazza 2025. I'm on another weekend. I can't keep up. This is my fifth weekend from the North Shore. Are we in Zante or Gran Canaria this time? Is it Zante?
Yeah.
Got it. This is DJ Alani, for those who don't know. I guess a lot of ladies should know that already. My name is Rowan T. I'm all the way from Barbados. This is John Black. He's also from Barbados.
John Black!
We're gonna have some fun today. There's loads of DJs, we got loads of MCs, hosts, whatever you choose to call them. Loads of drinks. Hosts. Oh my God. I forgot. Host. Right. Loads of entertainment coming for you. So what I want you to do right now is just go to the bar, get something to drink, meet and greet a few people and get familiar. Because we're gonna have a good time this year. I'm gonna act a fool. It's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be vibes. So more music coming away, ladies and gentlemen, you take it away. We got the ladies in the sheen outfit. I see some sheen. I like when you're glossy, you look good. You looking nice. Ready? Come on, how we living, dog? How we living? Give your friends some camera now. Give your friends some camera now. We're partying. It's present. We have the vibes for the whole island. We have the key for the whole island. We're Caribbean people. So we're talking about fuck up in the we don't say something. What's on the screen? What's on the screen? What's the screen say? Yeah. What's the screen say?
Ladies, para man, mande para girl. Yeah. So I want you to, ladies, bend down from his stroke when I tell you to.
Where's all my girls that are round and brown like a pound? Where's all my fluffy yellow right now? Hold on! If you've got an electric fan in your hand, you're rich. Find me a Tesla. Find me a Tesla. It's about 27 degrees outside. Right, TFR, come in, got that. Pause.
To be our leader.